Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can start or how you can schedule a Zoom meeting. So go to Zoom first and log into your ID and password. After logging into Zoom, you can see here new meetings under this home tab. Just go to new meet, click on this and it will be connecting for some seconds, and here your meeting has started. Okay, so how you can collect the meeting links? You can see here participants on this arrow sign, this one. Click on this and you can find copy invite link. Then you can use this link to join the meeting, like this chat, paste it. This is your URL for your meeting. You can use this link to let other people join in your meeting by this. Okay, so this is one method. Another method is go to here meetings. This is instant meetings. If you want to start instant meetings, then, or if you want to casual meeting, then go here new meet. Then you'll find here a plus icon, schedule meeting or schedule meeting. Click on this and click on the first option, schedule meeting. Then you can now name here your topic, like today's classroom. Attendees, any special attendees in the meeting, name him. All right, like this. Then you will find here date and time. Put your date and time when you want to start this meeting. Like I want to start today at 2:45 p.m. And meeting will be longer till 4 p.m. Okay, this is time zone Astana, Dhaka. Alright, this is your passcode. You can use this passcode, just copy and let people join by this passcode. Or if you want to tick this, like only users admitted host can join meeting. So if you only choose them people, they only can join this, otherwise not. Then all is good, video off. If you want this video on, just click on on. Alright, now click on OK or done. You can see here the meeting is scheduled. It will be started at 2:45 until 4. Okay, this is a meeting ID. You can copy this, and so this is how you can do this, guys. Okay, you can start here anytime like this, or if you don't, just in meeting for all. It will automatically start it at 2:45. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.